The 427 Cobra is one of the most iconic collector cars out there. The full competition Cobra is the top of the ladder for 427 Cobras.
This particular CSX number, 3006, the most successful in its racing history, primarily because it was the only Cobra to win a major race, 427 Cobra, in Europe.
3006 was also raced by famous Shelby driver Bob Bondurant.
Bondurant and his co-driver David Piper at the controls, both F1 drivers at the time, by the way, won overall at Brands Hatch, second place at the Ford GT40. It really goes to show just how potent the relatively low-tech Cobra was at the time of the GT40 becoming very prominent. What it did, probably more than anything else, it cemented and it put in people's minds that Shelby's 427 Cobras were world-class performance cars comparable to anything else it would have to offer, including Ferrari.
So to have this car crossing Mecum, Monterey will be the star of the show for us during Car Week, and we're really looking forward to it.